right, so for this one, it says which expression is represented on the number line below. So then, right, again, this is my number line. So then I see my arrows going to one direction. So again, this is only one arrow. So then with my arrow, I'll use this pink color, or actually I'll use a highlighter. So I'm gonna make my groups. Okay, so I know I have one group, two groups, three groups. And again, this is just looking at the jumps, okay? And then I'm just gonna label it 1, 2, 3, okay? So this is one whole group, two whole groups, three whole groups. So I know I have to work with a 3. Okay, and remember how I told you guys, it's really hard to show negative groups, so we're just gonna keep it positive, all right? So now that I have this, I need to look at not only my jumps, but I need to know how much is in each jump. So it's going from 0 to -4. So that means in here, I have -4 inside of my group. Again, right here, it's going from -4 to -8. And then I can count 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going through another group of -4. So this is -4 again. And then for this one as well, it's going to go to -4. So I know I have to deal with -4. Okay, so now I got to think. Okay, now that I have all this, all right, and actually let me take care of this really quick because I know we can't see. We got to think about, okay, the direction in which my arrow is going. Okay, I know my arrow is going to the left, so one number has to be negative. So that's going to be my -4. Also, I know my arrow is starting at 0 and it's going away from it. Okay, so because my arrow is going away from it, I know I'm going to have to multiply because I'm skip counting by 3s and I have 3 groups and I'm skip counting by 4s. I'm sorry. So then that means I'm multiplying my 3 groups by my -4, okay? And then when I do this, right, I can even double check. If I solve this, is it going to give me -12? Because that is what I care about, okay? So is that going to give me -12? So that means I'm going to have my Mickey Mouse, okay? So I'm going to draw them really fast. Okay, so then now I have a +3 right here. So I'm going to cross out my positive. I have a -4, so I'm going to cross out my negative. And again, I was multiplying, and I'm only focusing on the face on what I have left, and that is a negative. So it's going to be negative. Then 4 times 3 is just going to give me 12. And see how it gave me -12? Both of these are the same, so this is correct. Okay, so then now looking at my answer choices, okay, I have -12 times 3. Remember, the dot means times. This is not it. I have addition. We never talked about addition, so I'm going to cancel that out. I have both a -4 and a -3. I just told you guys a couple minutes ago that we cannot show a negative group, so this is going to be crossed out, and so my answer has to be D. Okay, so my answer here is D. So make sure you understand and that you put this answer in your Google form.